you know what? I think we're gonna have an adventure. So I got myself a little mini here, and this is gonna be Old Smoky Moonshine's banana pudding. All right, and this is gonna be 17.5% alcohol by volume, or 35 proof. It's on a small print. So we're gonna go ahead and break the paper. Turn this. Actually, before we do that, click on the bottom. Make sure we get whatever the goodness is on the bottom. Pour it away. Let's go ahead and crack this open. Like banana pudding. Smell, you smell those vanilla wafers. You can smell the bananas. Definitely smells like banana pudding. I'll tell you that. Real strong on the vanilla too. And that's just coming out the jar. Coming out the jar, baby. There it is. Looking good. Looking good. Okay. Love the color. Looks like that banana pudding goodness. Yeah, vanilla. The wafers, right? The little vanilla wafers, 100%. And then banana pudding. Yeah, that's it. That's what it smells like. No booze whatsoever on this one. Covers very well. So real thick. We're looking at that pretty thick haze. All right. Oh yes. Oh yeah. That is good. It actually, like, I'm not getting no booze whatsoever. It literally tastes like genuine banana pudding. I'm tasting the wafer, the pudding itself, bananas, real nice amount of vanilla on that. Not too sweet, but not underwhelming. It's like perfect. Whipped cream, and it even feels like there's whipped cream on it. Oh yeah, that's a winner, man. So I highly recommend this. This the one. This the one you're gonna enjoy. You can either add this to your coffee. You could make dessert with this. You can do some cream-based liqueurs or cream-based cocktails. This is gonna work. Right here is full of flavor. It's. I'm losing words here because I've had a couple of their products before, and you can tell it is what it is, and then it's like it's still alcohol. This is not. It does not resemble alcohol. It literally feels like I've actually eaten it. I've had consumed it. So with that said, get you some. You need to try it. Cheers.